Here we are in section 8-2, exercises 23 through 28. Here it says to find the vertex of each parabola. So we're down here on the ways of finding the vertex. If it's in this standard form here, ax squared plus bx plus c, like we could use a quadratic formula, then look, the x value is negative b over 2a. That's the first half, ignoring the plus and minus section, of the quadratic formula. That's the guy that's right in the middle of the two x-intercepts. That's why it forms the corner where it turns around. If it's in a completed square, a perfect square form like this, then it's the basic x squared that has been shifted opposite of this negative h, so positive h, and then up k. And so the vertex is just hk. So we'll use both of these in our problems here. So first off with this one, we need to find out that negative b over 2a is negative, b is a negative 4 over 2 times a 1. So that is a positive 4 over 2 is 2. So we're going to find 2 what? So stick in 2 right there, and we get y equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 3. And that equals 4 minus 8 plus 3. That is a negative 1. And there's our vertex. Great. Number 24. Let's do the same thing. Negative b over 2a equals negative 6 over 2 times 1. That's negative 3. So we're going to stick in negative 3 everywhere. Y equals, let's put this down here at our answer. Negative 3 is going in for the x. Y equals negative 3 squared. Make sure the parentheses are there. Plus 6 times a negative 3 minus 2. So we get 9 minus 18 minus 2. That's negative 9 minus 2 is a negative 11. And that's the vertex for number 24. Number 25. We get, this is in the translated form. And so the opposite of this, so negative 2, and then the same as that number, up 9. Negative 2, 9. And you could multiply this whole thing out and then find it with the negative b over 2a if you wanted, but we'll go ahead and use that, that handy-dandy form down here. All right, the next one, number 26. This is also in that form down here, x minus h squared. So we use the opposite of the thing next to the x and down 4. So this means that the x squared that used to have the vertex at 0, 0 got shifted 5 to the left and then down 4. So there's the vertex. Okay, number 27, back to the standard form here. So negative b over 2a. That's negative 6 over 2 times a negative 3, and that gives us 1. So that means we're going to have 1 something. Stick in 1 everywhere. We get y equals negative 3 times 1 squared plus 6 times 1 minus 3. That is negative 3 plus 6 minus 3 equals 0. That vertex then is also the x-intercepts because y comes out to be 0. There's the vertex. Okay, number 28. This is an ax squared plus bx plus c form. So we find the negative b over 2a. That's negative a negative 12 over 2 times 2. Negatives cancel. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we're going to stick in 3 something. So y equals 2 times 3 squared minus 12 times 3 plus 14. 2 times 9, that's 18 minus 36 plus 14. And that comes out to be, let me see, 18 minus 36 is negative 18 plus 14 is a negative 4. I should put that there, negative 4. Y equals a negative 4, so that's our vertex. Excellent.